Good morning mga kalakwatsera. A day before Valentine's Day. Indot kaayo no, beautiful nga roses, no? Ang usa ka bouquet of roses. 6,000 daw ni, no? Ang presyo ani, pero remember ha, bisag unsa pa kanindot sa roses, ayaw kalimot na naanay mga tunok.
Wala tunok eh.
Naanay tunok siya, meaning to say, pag musulod ka sa usa ka relasyon, hinungdumi nga dili tanan always kalipay na ay kasakit. Kung ready na mo ana, hala sulod mo. Roses, ayaw kalimot, nindot ni siya, beautiful ni siya. Pero naani siya tunok ha, ready mong masaktan pag kayo ay umibig. Okay, bye. Ang ako mga gwapa nga mga kalakwatsera, hinumdumi. Pag makadawat mo og bouquet of flowers, ayaw mo diretsog bilangkad. Labi na kung dili mo minyo ha. Ang population sa Pilipinas karon 124 million. Okay? So 124 million din ha. Abot ka ha kung pila ang mga illegitimate or legitimate. Basta gani tagaan mo flowers. Kinahanglan so tubagon ninyo ang inyong uyab. No gloves, no love. Basta pasabot ana sa Bisaya. Pag dili mo gamit o protection, walay bilang karay. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Okay. Sa mga miyembro nato sa LGBTQI community, addressing this sa mga bayot, sa mga tomboy, o sa mga trans. Pagtagaan mo bulak, ano karong Valentine's Day, ayaw diretsog withdraw og kwarta sa ATM. Pilaran ng buwak, niya withdrawhan ka, pangayuan kag kwarta mo, hatag yun ka. Morning mga kalakwatsera, advance happy Valentine's. Kung magkinahanglan mo og mga bouquet of flowers, na si Carex dire. 24 hours na sila. Nga na dire, why tulugay ko no? Pwede mo mag-customize design Carex no? Kung sa pangalan ni Pilo? Okay mga bouquet niya. Kani tigpila ni na sunflower
500
pesos. Klase-klase. Pwede man na sila ka na magpa-customize. No, dong, no?
Oo, pwede.
Okay. Sige. Thank you, ha. Sige. Carex, thank you, Carex. Thank you. Sila yung red roses nga mga flowers. Depende. Kung ipa-customize lang ninyo kung unsa inyong gusto. Basta you visit lang yun Mon Amor Flower Shop. Diri sa Imo Street, ha. So, Mon Amor, thank you very much for these flowers. Thank you. Daghan kayong salamat sa flowers. These are beautiful, well-arranged flowers sa Mon Amor Flower Shop. Remember mga kalakwatsera, you can always show your love through flowers. Not necessarily sa inyong bana, asawa, partners. You can give it to your parents. Sa inyong mama, sa inyong papa, sa inyong igsoon, sa inyong mga household helps, sa inyong best friends, sa inyong mga ka-office mate or business associates. Because flowers are the best expression of love to others. Ready na good ang mga bouquet of flowers for Valentine's Day. Dirini sa Mon Amor ha. You should come and visit Mon Amor sa Tipadilla, Barangay Tipadilla Street. Just in front of, nakabox na St. Peter Funeral Homes. Mon Amor. Good morning! We still have one day ha, para makapalita ang mga bouquet of flowers diri sa Mon Amor. Barangay Tipadilla Street, open sila 24 hours. Barangay Tipadilla in front of St. Peter. Naka-ready na yun. Pwede sila mo customize, mag-request mo mag-design sa mga bouquet of flowers. Okay? Express your love with flowers. There is a Mon Amor Flower Shop. Thank you!
Para Valentine's Day, diriran mo doon sa among flower shop sa Mon Amor Los Bouquet.
Ang sa address niya, ma'am?
Padilla Street at Magsa St. Peter area.
Okay, thank you. Of flowers with perfume. Okay, once a year lang ang mag-express of love. So, you might as well splurge to your loved ones, ha? Diriran ni siya sa Mon Amor. Mon Amor! Thank you, thank you, thank you! very much. Bye! Express your love with flowers. They're open 24 hours, especially nung hapit ng Valentine's. Mon amour, thank you very much. Bye! Thank you very much, Kalex, sa bouquet of flowers. Napakagandang roses. Tandaan ang rosas, kahit gaano siya kaganda, may mga tinik din to. Kaya katulad ng relasyon, masarap magmahal, pero humanda kayong masaktan. Katulad ng bulaklak na rosas, maganda ang rosas pero may mga tinik. Tandaan ha, masarap ang magmahal, ngunit humanda ka ring masaktan, masugkatan. At dahil pag nasasaktan ka o masaktan ka, natuto ka paano dapat ang umibig. O diba, hugot line ni Mamita Kalex, salamat sa roses. Karong Valentine's Day, express your love with flowers. Og si Kalex, gitagaan gid ko niya bouquet of roses. Pero hinumdumi ha, ang roses nindo tanawon, pero nanay tunok. Makasakit na gihapon. And hinumdumi po, when you love, give it all. Pero expect na masakitan ka, sama sa roses o. Guwapa, pero makasama, careful sa mga bayot pagtagaan mong flowers. Ayaw in town hutda ang inyong savings. Ayaw in town niya. Mga babae kung tagaan mong flowers at ayaw diretsog bilang. God. No gloves, no love. Morning, today is Valentine's Day. The best way to express your love is sending flowers. Come, you have variety to choose from, mga design ng mga bouquet sa Sweet Lilies in Archbishop Street. Doon lagi din siya sa IT Park. It is very convenient sa Ayala and IT Park. Look this lovely bouquet. Remember, you express your love not only to your husband, wife, boyfriend or girlfriend. You can give flowers to your mother, to your father, to your siblings, to your best friend, to your pets if you want to. And I received this flower. My goodness, what a beautiful flower. And where does it come from? Asa kahanigikan akong flower. Let me read the notes. Oh, it came from me. Ako na naghatag sa akong kaugalingon. I can buy flowers, as what Bruno Mars have said. If you don't have flowers, if you have not received flowers, buy yourself a flower. Here at Sweet Lilies, good morning. Don't forget to share the video and buy flowers here sa Sweet Lilies. Have a lovely day and happy Valentine's to all of you. Bye! See? Okay. Good morning mga kalakwatsera! Happy Valentine's from Sweet Lilies! Thank you kayo sa bouquet of flowers. Kisa man i-shout out na to.
Shout out, mamitas!
Oh, mga partners, mga uyab.
Shout out sa akong my love.
Oh, kisa pa shout out. Shout out ma'am, kisa ma'am.
Shout out sa akong honey.
Okay. Ayaw kalimot ha. Best bouquet sa Sweet Lilies. Unsang address ma'am?
Archbishop Reyes near Grand Convention in Ayala.
And amazingly, ako there silang mga followers. Follower there nako. Thank you very much. Thank you. Permission to post ha. Thank you very much. Come, Summit Cafe. It isn't too late to decide where to go this Valentine's Day. Dine here sa Cafe Summit. You have bouquet of flowers and a teddy bear to hug if in case wala kay kauban. Flowers can sell at thousands of words, and this teddy bear can provide you warmth if in case gitugnaw ka kay ikaw na kausa. Okay? Thank you. Dili tanan dako, lami. Nasa'y gamay nga lami oh. Kaning chorizo sa Cebu. Lami ko ayo. Wow. Chorizo. Gamay. Pero, lami. Papatay. Chicken tocino. Basta kung magkaunta, portion by portion lang. Dili nga mura ka ng patay gutom ta ba? Na mo di for kita pag-aayo. Then, stop. Wow. Diba? Ayo. And a hot choco. This is what you call perfect breakfast. Here, bacon. Lami kind of for breakfast, but not so often, huh? Yeah, broken heart na. Kuman na, broken heart, egg nga ni-design na broken heart. Wow. Ang gamay, pero lami, na chorizo, kasubo. Cute kaayo, danggit. The smaller, the tastier. Who said niya ang mga dagko lang lami? Nasa'y gagmay na lami. The very reason why I kept on coming back here sa Cafe Summit is because of the ube champurado. Plus naapay si Kuwati at Choco. Simply perfection sa kalami. And you don't have to worry even if you are a senior citizen. Kay dili kayo tamis nasa imo na kung dugangan ba ni mog sugar or more milk. But ako, I trust the taste. Dili na ako, wala na ko dagang gibutang pa because I'm very familiar with the taste. And this suits me better kay di kay siya tamis. Wow. Ang awa ko do. Piso kaayo. Kaniya, don't forget sa Summit Galleria for the breakfast ang ilang champurado. Yummy. Strawberry na yogurt. Mausa ni ato kaunon, but in a few days time mo-attend man kog Panabengap Festival sa Baguio. I'll be there, Baguio. I'll see you. Dito, mo patagbaw gid kog strawberry. Meanwhile, kanira sa dito paabot na ako sa Baguio. Unahon gid na ako ang strawberry. Kanang fresh strawberry ha, pero karon sa kay napamanta sa Cebu. Yogurts at why it's also healthy. But in Baguio, in a few days time for the Panagbenga Festival, the real thing, ang freshly harvested gugna strawberry. Ah, wow. Baguio, I'll see you soon. Is afraid of cakes. Of course, daghan. Labi na kung senior citizen ta. But for those healthy, tapos regular ang magpa-check up, there is nothing to fear. The secret is, eat in portion. Dili mo kaon nga murag patay gutom. Not devouring, but eat it with moderation, with calculation, in portion, and enjoy the taste of these pastries. Kalami naman lang. Of course, ang sugar makapataas magina sa energy, pero too much of it, lisod masad na nga, ma-diabetes. Huh? Wow. Mao ni ato giingon nga, cheat day. Ayaw ko sapa. Gitara na kay baho ani ha. Dili nato ipaibaw sa mga silingan nato nga ni kauntaan. Charot. Basta lami kayo. One last. Then enough. And a hot chocolate. See? Mao nang life sa retired na bayo nga nakasave, nga ni-choose og life nga inspiring, reasonable, competent, at the same time discipline nga lifestyle. In the remaining years of my life, ga-enjoy rin hapon, di ba? Thank you very much sa Summit Cafe. This is a customized food with Valentine's messages to all my Kalakwatsera worldwide. Happy Valentine's to all of you. Always spread love, kindness, not only on Valentine's Day, but every day, every existence, every purposeful life that you live. Choose to be happy, choose to be inspiring, choose to be kind, compassionate, emphatic, and choose to love one another. Again, maraming salamat sa Summit Cafe for this sumptuous yet very artistically done na food offered to me on Valentine's Day. Thank you. Thank you very much. Summit Cafe. It isn't too late to decide where to go this Valentine's Day. Dine here sa Cafe Summit. You have bouquet of flowers and a teddy bear to hug if in case wala kay kauban. Flowers can say a lot, thousands of words, and this teddy bear can provide you warmth if in case gitugnaw ka kay ikaw lang outside. Okay? Thank you. Dili tanan dako, lami, nasa gamay nga lami o, kaning chorizo sa Cebu. Namit ko ayo. Wow. Chorizo. Gamay. Pero, lami. Papatay. Chicken tocino. Basta kung magkaunta, portion by portion lang. Dili nga murag ka ng patay gutom ta ba? Namodivore kita pag-aayo. Then, spam. Diba? Ayo. And a hot choco. This is what you call perfect breakfast. Here, bacon. Lami kind of for breakfast, but not so often, huh? Yeah, broken heart na. Kuman na, broken heart, egg nga gi-design broken heart. Wow. Ang gamay, pero lami, nga chorizo, kasubo. Cute kaayo, danggit. The smaller, the tastier. Who said niya ang mga dagko lang lamit? Nasa'y gagmay. Nga lamit. Importante na garden salad. Unahin natin as a starter. Because, by the way, I'm in Cafe Summit right now. Ang vegetable na raw is rich in fiber. At saka yung ano ko, dressing ko is vinegar. No? Yun ang salad dressing ko. Kaning garden salad na to. It's just like a complete meal na niya. Wow. So maunang trick ha, ka na mahilig bitaw o kaunog buffet, especially on breakfast, unahon yun ninyo ang garden salad. It's healthy, very rich in fiber. And always remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Eat like a king or a queen, as in the case may be, on your breakfast, and dine like a pauper for your dinner. Wow. Okay. Mahirap. makipagrelasyon, tapos kung magdala naman sa konsumisyon sa inyo. You can never learn, or you can never give a full love, a complete love to others if you don't have love in yourself. Diba? How can you give something that you don't have? No? Paano ka makabibigay ng pagmamahal kung wala kang pagmamahal sa sarili mo? So, unahin mo nang mahalin ang sarili bago magmahal ng iba. Huwag maghanap ng pagmamahal sa ibang tao, because you can never give love to others if you don't have love within you. Hindi mo hindi ako naniniwala you can complete me. The only person who can complete you is yourself. Dahil ikaw ang nakakilala sa sarili mo. No? Huwag maghanap ng pagmamahal sa ibang tao. You need to love yourself first before loving others. Ha? Tandaan niyo yan. Di ba may kanta? I know the greatest love of all. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. O diba? The very reason why I kept on coming back here sa Cafe Summit is because of the ube champurado. Plus naapay si Kuwati at Choco. Simply perfection sa kalami. And you don't have to worry even if you are a senior citizen, kay dili kayo tamis nasa imo na kung dugangan ba ni mog sugar or more milk. But ako, I trust the taste. Dili na ako, wala na ko dagang gibutang pa because I'm very familiar with the taste, and this suits me better kay siya tamis. Wow. Ang awa ko doon. Piso kaayo. Kaniya, don't forget sa Summit Galleria for the breakfast. Ang ilang champurado. Yummy. A day after Valentine's Day, ang kadaghanan di pangapoy kay nagpaputok. Anya ang uban naputukan si Mamita. Still alive and kicking at 62 with a beautiful view sa sunrise. Bye! Thank you! Day after Valentine's Day, when probably most of those who have celebrated are all exhausted physically and financially, here comes Mamita Lacuatsera. Early morning, I run 10 kilometers, 10 or 12 kilometers from my main residence to Lapu-Lapu City. Unya ni Simba sa Birhen sa Regla, nag-food trip. I had a wonderful breakfast sa eatery ng Susan's Eatery. You might as well watch that vlog later on. And on my way home now, pauli na si Mamita, taking a ferry boat there. Very good weather, simple life, very simple life. But the essence of that simple life is that You are physically fit, mentally alert, financially stable, and independent. That no one tells you what to do. Kaya mong gawin ang mga bagay na dapat gawin ng isang makabuluhang buhay without anybody telling you what to do. That's what you call empowerment, diba? Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ. It's a beautiful day in my lovely city of Cebu, with Cebu City buildings at sailing on Mactan Channel.
Kuya, good morning, Kuya.
Yes, Jel. Good morning and
Kanang
happy
nakoy.
Valentine's. Sa man, Jel?
Nakoy pangutana, Kuya ba?
Yes, go ahead.
Kanang wala ba kay plano magka-love life or you're just happy nga ikaw ra isa?
Agoy, tungod ni sa Valentine's kano nakahuna-una naman sa kagpangutana. Unsa to? Balik kayo kasi kinashock ko. Unsa to, Jel?
Kanang wala ba kay plan magka-love life or you're just happy nga ikaw ra isa?
Well, di ba Jel, murag sa ako na kanidako, no?
Yes,
Yo,
Kuya.
diri na ka sa ako ni dako from elementary, high school karon. 1 year na lang mo graduate na ka sa education, no? 1 year na lang, Jel, mo graduate na ka sa education. Siguro na bantayan gyud nimo nga wala gyud ka kita nga na ako'y kauban nga laki.
Yes,
No,
Kuya.
or mag-love life. You know, Jel, inani siya ka simple, Jel. I am very happy being alone. It doesn't matter nga ako lang nga usa, lonely ko. Siguro na klase-klase lang gid ang tao, no? Ako miyembro ko sa LGBTQI community. Nabilong ko sa gay. I am gay. But lahi ang ako outlook sa relationship. Especially now, I'm already 62. Daghan na kayo kong naagian sa ako life. I had also my share of naughty experience, no? Being gay. Mischievous at ko, playful, but I never take seriously in any relationship. Dili na sa ako seryoso because I love myself so much that I think maglisod kog hatag og love sa others, though I know for a fact na you can love others if you know how to love yourself. But sa ako, it doesn't work that way. I love myself so much that taking a risk to involve myself with another person, murag far-fetched na sa ako, murag dili siya, wala na siya sa akong plano. Because as it is, ako lang nga usa, I am very happy, but it doesn't mean I am lonely. I have my family, I have you, na ako igsoon, na ako pagumangkon. I have so many charity works, no? Daghan tagitabangan, and that makes me complete, especially my family. So asa man ako naibutang ang love life, murag wala na siya space sa ako heart, but it doesn't mean I am closing the door. What lessons should you learn from my experience? Nga kinahanglan gyud, Angel, labi na ka, you will be a teacher very soon. Kompletuha gyud ang imo pagkatao, no? Ayaw sulod sa usa ka relasyon kung ikaw mismo sa imo galingon dili ka pa sigurado, or ayaw pangita og completeness sa ubang tao ka nang you make me complete. Sa sinira na, Jel, but in real life, no one completes you except yourself. Okay? Because the greatest love of all is loving yourself. Klaro ba, Jel?
Yes, kuya. Thank you, kuya.
Okay, thank you sa Jel. Bye.
Start, kuya.
Mga kalakwatsera, muagi ta og Colon Street. This is Colon Street. Today, controversial kaayo ang Colon Street, no? Because a historian and archaeologist came out with an allegation na ang Colon Street kuno, discovered in the 15th century in honor of Christopher Columbus, is not exactly the oldest street in the Philippines. Matod pa niya, it is the oldest fake news daw. Meaning to say, fake news daw na ang Colon Street is the oldest street. Ang oldest street daw in the Philippines is Magallanes Street, also in Cebu. Next corner to ang Magallanes Street. So this Colon Street, according to that historian and archaeologist, is not the oldest street. Colon Street, discovered in the 15th century. Ang iyang name was in honor of Christopher Columbus, an Italian navigator. Italian o Portuguese navigator ba na si Christopher Columbus, who did not visit the Philippines or even Cebu. Wala na nakaani diri. Gitagaan lang siya. Gicredit lang iyang pangalan diri sa Colon Street. Colon Street is also the shortest national road in the Philippines. Ang opinion nako, show me the evidence, because history is a man's story. Pwede ang chismis noon, history na ngayon. Ang history ngayon, chismis noon. Di ba may mga ganon? History is a man's story. Pwedeng paiba-iba ang kwento because it is transmitted from the word of mouth. Ipakita ang ebidensya, talagang proven evidences, kaya wala naman tayo, hindi pa naman tayo buhay nung panahon na yun eh. Nga contrary to what is being hailed as the oldest street, pag may ebidensya talaga, then pwede natin pag-usapan. Meanwhile, if there is no evidence presented, this street, ang Colon Street, remains to be the oldest street in the Philippines. Okay? So tandaan natin ha, itong Colon Street is still the oldest street in the Philippines, kaya nga may marker. Pero pag-usapan natin kung may mga ebidensya contrary to what has been known, pwedeng pag-usapan. Because after all, that's the essence of history. It is a man's story. Pwedeng chismis noon na naging history na ngayon, pwede sin history na ngayon, chismis noon, di ba? Thank you. Being in the right place at the right time, a day after Valentine's Day. What a lovely sunrise it is as my backdrop, you know. Beautiful day. What sunrise! Ooh. A day after Valentine's Day, ang kadaghanan di pangapoy kay nagpaputok. Anya ang uban naputukan si Mamita. Still alive and kicking at 62 with a beautiful view sa sunrise. Bye! Thank you! Ang gipaabot sa tanan na mga kalakwatsera nako ang reyna ng bakasi ni Anasadta sa Susan's Eatery sa Lapu-Lapu City. Ang nilarang na bakasi ni Giovanni pagkalami sakto gyud ni siya nga pamahaw karong buntaga a day after Valentine's Day. Kamo nakatilaw na ba mo og nilarang na bakasi ato pa ni siya sagulan sa Kiampaw na nilarang tanawa Krus tambok kaayo niya undanon kayo mukaon ba mo Kiampaw nga nilarang exotic fish diri gihapon ni sa Susan's Eatery, not in Cebu City but in Opon, Lapu-Lapu City. Parisan pa nato mais init pa kayo nga mais mauning sakto nga pamahaw nato karong adlaw. A very relaxing day, a day after Valentine's Day. Look at that lovely view of the prosperity reflective on our city of Cebu, on a clear water, calm weather, clear sky. What a majestic day. Day after Valentine's Day, when probably most of those who have celebrated are all exhausted physically and financially. Here comes Mamita Lakwatsera. Early morning, I run 10 kilometers, 10 or 12 kilometers from my main residence to Lapu-Lapu City. Unya ni Simba sa Birhen sa Regla. Nag-food trip. I had a wonderful breakfast sa eatery ng Susan's Eatery. You might as well watch that vlog later on. And on my way home now, pauli na si Mamita, taking a ferry boat there. Very good weather, simple life, very simple life, but the essence of that simple life is that you are physically fit, mentally alert, financially stable, and independent, that no one tells you what to do. Kaya mong gawin ang mga bagay na dapat gawin ng isang makabuluhang buhay without anybody telling you what to do. That's what you call empowerment, diba? Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ. A very relaxing day, a day after Valentine's Day. Look at that lovely view of the prosperity reflective on our city of Cebu, on a clear water, calm weather, clear sky. What a majestic day. Thoughts for today by Mamita Lakwatsera. You can express your love not just to your lovers, partners, husband or wife. In my case, it's with my sister. And why do we have to spend it in advance? Because we are all working, and sadly Valentine's Day is not a non-working holiday for us. We need to work because we have to fend for our family. So there is always a balance of celebration and working. Remember, Valentine's Day are not for lovers only. It could be expressed through relationship with your family, loved ones. In my case, with my only sister Gina. Happy Valentine's, mga Kalakwatsera. Always remember, spread love. Bashing is not okay as far as Mamita Lakwatsera is concerned. Bye. Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much to my niece Julie for this Korean buffet lunch para sa ako o sa ako sister Gina. For Valentine's Day, Joel, thank you. Everything here for me is strange. Kaya dili ko fan sa mga Korean dishes, but why not try? After all, I have been known to be a lawbreaker. Hindi pa. Ang kuwang ng diriwa ko nag-swimsuit. Bye! Mutilaw sa taba. Usahay. Kanang dili ta pamilyar, no? Shit. Lalo din ka dili ko sa ngayon chopstick. Kamu mga kalakot siya lang. Ganahan mo mga Korean dish? Ako, okay lang. But not with a chopstick, ha? Dili ko sanay. I'm with my sister. Ito man eh. Ang food, okay ba?
Okay lang.
Okay. Ala, tudloy ko niyo mga kalakwatsera kung isa ning gikaon nako. Dili ni siya bakasi mga kalakwatsera. At least I'm authentic. Kung Italian pa ni okay lang, pero kaning Korean wa ko kay bao. So sa man yung mga kalakwatsera, tabangi ko be, o sa ni siya utan Bisaya ba ni? Sa pronunciation pa lang mga kalakwatsera, I'm having a hard time. Ito, bibimbap. Sakto ba yun? Bibimbap. I notice sa mga Korean nga mga food, mga kalakwatsera, murag si Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga man ka. Joke. Kanan.
Lady Gaga.
Really oily. Noon yung mga Koreano, mga nindot og lawas. No? Very lean, very healthy. Kaya ang ilang mga food, really fast food. Di para sa mga western countries. Sila na-art. Art-arty ba? Ano? Halang lang. Kuya unis may mga na-almoranas. Mga kalakwatsera, ha? Mauni bibimbap ko, no? Thank you to my Miss Julie. Nakapilaw ka angin. So ako mga followers sa Bakasi, Lechon. Aw sa karon. Korean sa taba. Yan. Inana ako. You want me to dance? Okay pa. Korean, K-pop. Okay? There is a misconception that Korean food only caters for the young professionals, the Gen Z, or even X, Y, and Z. But there is something that I have proven right now, because this is the first time to have dined here sa Somak, no? Actually, it's a senior citizen friendly. You know why? By taking the dessert, just by dessert itself, di kayo siya tamis, no? So, you have nothing to fear. And this could be the reason why I'll be coming back to Somak. So, sa mga ka-senior citizen na tulad na ako, it's not only for the young professionals, the Gen Z or X, Y, and Z. You need to try to dine here. Pinaimbitahan na ko ang mga senior citizen because we are the money. We are the one who has the money. Dine here. You have nothing to fear. Aside from the Korean food, if you are not familiar with it, there are also mga Filipino foods cuisine or even Japanese or Italian dishes. All you have to do is come here, and this is to die for. You have nothing to fear at all. Kay dili kay siya tamis. Actually, it's really a friendly, very friendly delicacy or a dessert for the senior citizen like us. You need to try this one, huh? Thank you so much. Thank you. I have tried this and I promise to be back again. Bye. Balikan na ako kung may Valentine's. Okay na ni Dami kay tilap-tilapan. Tumat. Pati yung sayaw ang camera, Jo.
Boy.
There is a misconception that Korean food only caters for the young professionals, the Gen Z, or even X, Y, and Z. But there is something that I have proven right now, because this is the first time to have dined here sa Somak, no? Actually, it's a senior citizen friendly. You know why? By taking the dessert, just by dessert itself, di kayo siya tamis. No? So, you have nothing to fear. And this could be the reason why I'll be coming back to Somak. So, sa mga ka-senior citizen na tulad na ako, it's not only for the young professionals, the Gen Z or X, Y, and Z. You need to try to dine here. Iniimbitahan na ko ang mga senior citizen because we are the money. We are the one who has the money. Dine here. You have nothing to fear. Aside from the Korean food, if you are not familiar with it, there are also mga Filipino foods within, or even Japanese or Italian dishes. All you have to do is come here, and this is to die for. You have nothing to fear at all. Kay dili kay siya tamis. Actually, it's really a friendly, very friendly delicacy or a dessert for the senior citizen like us. You need to try this one. Huh? Thank you so much. Thank you. I have tried this and I promise to be back again. Bye. Kani mga way Valentino, okay na niyo. Lani kayo sa dilaan. Ang mga way Valentino, okay na lani kayo sa dilaan. Lami siya, in fairness. Naunta. So na mo yung idea, ha? Inani da yung ice cream sa Korea. Mura ko saan siya, mura mo siya, ka ng piyaya. Lami ko, look at this one. Lami kayo.
I-crunch ba?
Wala pa, crunchy pa.
Kami?
Mura niyang condom na.
Oo.
Kung sa ato sa ila, pamura sila mga flat chested.
Kawa tayo.
Lahil sa ng ice cream sa Korea, Korea.
Sa maglaway lang.
Happy Valentine!